Namaste friends. I speak as a citizen who deeply cares for Mumbai, especially JUHU beach, where lakhs gather daily. This precious coastline may soon lose its open skies, sunset and horizon to a towering overhead bridge. We are not against progress, but let's choose a smarter and a greener way. Cities worldwide are choosing tunnels to protect natural beauty. Why not us? It may cost a little more, but it will save our beach and environment for generations. Let the sunset and horizon stay visible. Say no to the bridge, yes to the tunnel. Let's urge our leaders. Build beneath, not above. Make JUHU Beach heaven, not hell.